Q schools. Basically, Q school is a qualifying school which enables archers who have either not made the grade as far as the top so many in the money list to re-qualify for the following year, and it also enables new archers who are not members of the tour to qualify to get into the series for the following year. In the past, when we first started, we have had a total open entry system where people just came along, entered, and they got to shoot. The demand got so great that we had to change the system, and we knew what the system was going to end up as. And all of these require a qualifying school of some sort, which is basically an open tournament. For 2010 to 2011, what we did was that we had a virtual Q school by the archers wishing to enter the series, providing us with all of their past scores, information about how they shoot, what sort of scores they shoot, which enabled us to grade them so that the highest level managed to get places into the series. For 2011, we're announcing now that we are going to use EFAC, that's the European Field Archery Championship, to be held in Portugal, as a Q school. It's not going to be the total requirement, but we are going to use the results from EFAC as a large percentage of the qualifications required for new archers or archers not reaching the grade to be able to have their playing rights for 2012. So that's it. EFAC at Portugal for 2011 is going to be our effective Q school.